Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the cosmetic and the cosmetology. A person who is the licensed in the cosmetology is called the cosmetologist. Product cover under the cosmetic range from hair care, oil care, skin care, lipstick, and the classification of the cosmetic based on site, the application and present the product category. Next, the facial cosmetic, hair cosmetic, eye cosmetic, dental and the oral cosmetic. Deodorant, miscellaneous cosmetic. Cleansing preparations, skin nourishing and the skin tonic are the facial cosmetic. And the hair cosmetic are the hair dye, hair oil and the hair creams. Eye cosmetic are the eyeliners, eye gloves, kajal and the dental and the oral cavity cosmetics are the toothpaste, mouthwashes, teeth whitening, deodorants are the lotion, powder, cream. Miscellaneous cosmetics are the blackhead and the remove toilet soaps, anti-stress marks remover. Herbal cosmetic. The history of the herbal is the history of the humankind for every culture throughout time has relied upon the herbs for its medicines and the cosmetic. Today, however, interest in the herbal product is increased one again. Herbal cosmetic represent the cosmetic associated with the active bio ingredient, nutraceuticals or the pharmaceuticals. The use of the bioactive phytochemicals from a variety of the botanicals has the dual function. Ideal properties of the cosmetic non-toxic, non-irritant and acceptable physically and the chemically inert, economicals, long-lasting property, ability of the masking the imperfection of skin, stable and the good appearance, easy to remove from skin. In today's class, I discuss about the ideal properties of the cosmetic. Thank you for watching.